Hello guys, welcome back. This is the part 2 that I was talking about. And now Miguel is online now. Golden Knight. Yeah. And me and Mix are just playing. Yo! And I have a update. I have finished my room. This is my room. This is Miguel's room. This is Mikael's room. So this is my room. Sup? Hey. Sup, man?
What's up, man? What are you doing here? Good evening.
You mean good night?
Yeah, I'm good night. Say hello. Your natural room is good. I check him. You're beautiful. Nice. Nice lamis. And nice armor. Wait lang, naglaro na yung What the dog doing? What? Miguel is going to swimming pool. What the?
Yo, may swimming pool!
Ganito yung swimming pool niya kapag nasira pa talaga.
Ang ganda! It's cool, bro.
Yeah, that is.
I'm not that great. I need a sponge. Oh, wait, never mind.
Huwag mo kasi lagyan ng tubig sa gilid-gilid para hindi lumabas yung tubig. Baka mamaya mapunta sa kwarto namin para ganyan.
Let me go swimming, man.
Yeah, go swimming, man. Pero paano makaakyat? Dapat yan din yan ng ladder. Para galing ng dance na yan. Grabe, lupe. Sa tayo malagay, parang nag-glitch ako. At parang kasi Sonic ng ganun. Ba't hindi ko malagay yung
Bakit?
yung ladder? Hindi siya malagay sa hagdan, kaya pala di gudan.
Hindi naman, mali ata kasi ginawa. Ako nga gagawa. Lagyan nyo muna ng water. Yan. Tapos lalagyan ko dito ng ladder. Diba?
The water's not rising up.
Yo, you dumb. I can't press. Yo, what the hell? I can't press. Boy, nakaka-press ka?
Ang alin.
Wait lang nga.
Naka-press ka naman.
Boy, Miguel, dun pa kasi sa mga stairs. Hindi, itaas mo pa. Dun sa may yan.
Look.
Look at me.
Gi, okay na yan. Pabayaan mo na. This sucks. Gi. Tara na. Boy. Uwi na tayo.
I thought to.
Oh.
Wait,